My name's Matilda Stump.
And I'm Oliver, and we're from Walgett.
Our parents did one of your courses and really recommended it and thought it would be a great course for us to do as part of our succession planning. It was really nice meeting so many different farmers, like being in a room with 150 producers or whatever was really interesting.
For me, it was more the planning and the sort of the 10-year planning, like breaking that down. I thought that was really useful.
I think the other thing that I just really enjoyed was the practical application of a lot of the tools in the workbook, like the agendas, the communication structure that Ollie just spoke about, and the sort of, I just think there's so much in that workbook that we can take home and implement. We're in the process of succession planning at the moment, and we sort of are having regular meetings, but having that sort of structure around how often you should be doing that, and just the draft agendas and those sort of things I think will be really helpful for our family. So definitely that, and to be better at just making quick decisions.
Making the decision, like starting to move, we can always adjust those decisions as we sort of see what's happening, but it's actually just sort of starting along that path.
Yeah, I'd say come, just do it.
100%.
Yeah.
The more education you can get and the more sort of interaction with these different producers and stuff, the better.
And it's just so refreshing, I think, just like being away from the business and thinking about it so objectively. I would say, get off the farm and go and do it.